This is my Meyer lemon tree that I have in the sunroom at my house. And I don't know if you can see them very well, but right now I have some nice blooms on my lemon tree that need to be pollinated. But since my lemon tree is inside my sunroom, I don't have insects in here to pollinate it. So I have to pollinate it using this paintbrush. So the way I do this is I find a bloom that's ready to be pollinated, and you can see this fresh bloom underneath here. You can see the yellow part is the pollen that's on there. And in the middle of the pollen, it's called the pistil. And I have to touch the ends where the pollen is and get it on my brush. If you look here, you can see some yellow on the end of my brush, just little tiny yellow granules, which is the lemon pollen. And I just brush it over the top. And as I do that, that's like an insect climbing over the bloom. And some of those little pollen grains gets inside that center part. It's like a tube, and it gets down in there. And whenever the pollen gets in there to the bottom of it, that's where the lemon will form. There's another one over here. Let me go ahead and do this one here. You might be able to see some of the pollen falling off of this one because this one's really ready to go. Again, look at some of the pollen. It doesn't take a lot of pollen to get in there, so just doing that gets the pollen inside of it. So I have some more buds right here. I'm waiting for them to open up, and I'll have to come and do that. But there are several that have already, you see these flowers that have already, they're starting to die. They're starting to die off. The petals are dying off. But if you look closely, you can see the green part at the bottom. That's where the lemon is forming. And I have another one over here. Let's see if I can find it. Here it is right here. This is a really good one. You can see it. You can see this green part here is where the lemon's going to be. So hopefully these lemons will take hold and continue to grow, but it takes about 3 months before they actually mature enough that you can actually pick them. Here's one here that's really good too. This one right here. So that's how I take care of my lemon tree. Oh, here's one here that needs to be done. Let me do this one too. All right, cross your fingers. Let's hope that come July or August, I have some lemons on my lemon tree. Here's my lemon tree, and if you look right here, there's one of the lemons, and here's another one of the lemons, and here's the last one that I have, and you watch the pollination.